So now we are at a museum named Persian Cat Museum. We can see a lot of cats inside this house. So let's go and see what's waiting for us. Welcome to the Café Cat Museum in Tehran. This cozy house is not just a cafe, it's home to some of the funniest, fluffiest, and most adorable cats you will ever meet. Today I'm spending time with them, and trust me, they have the most interesting personalities and names. Let's go meet them.
بله.
شدن عزیزم اینا اومدن مهمون جدیدم داریم خدا همشون اومدن. Look at them go. It's like a cat version of Tag. That little gray one is so fast. I think I will call him Rocket. And over there, Gholam is pretending he is too cool to join. But I know he's just waiting for the right moment to pounce. These cats are so much fun to watch. Hey, what's going on here? This little troublemaker is trying to get into my bag. Maybe he thinks I've got snacks in there. Sorry, buddy. It's just my camera jar. Oh no, he's not giving up. Should I call him Javad the Explorer? In Iran, you will often see stray cats walking confidently through the streets, like they own the place. And honestly, they kind of do. People here are generally kind to cats. It's common to see shopkeepers sharing scraps of food or families leaving water bowls outside their homes. Cats teach us a lot about patience, independence, and even a little bit of attitude. Maybe that's why we get along so well with them. چقدر خوشگلی بچه. خوبی؟ سلام خاله. چطوری؟ چقدر اینجا پیشی هست. تو اومدی با من دوست شی؟ آره فکر کنم اومدی با من دوست شی. میشه نازت کنم؟ آره بچه جون قربونت برم من. ای خدا بچه قشنگ. بچه یه ناز که نشستی من نازت کنم. خوشگله. چقدر تو قشنگی. خوب چون تو چرا Have you ever been judged by a room full of cats? It's an experience. You will just be sitting here minding your own business, and suddenly 5 pairs of eyes are locked on you. No blinking, no movement, just staring. It's just they are plotting something, and you are the target. At one point, I caught myself apologizing out loud. I'm sorry, I don't know what I did. They didn't respond, of course, but I swear one of them smirked.
طرف بالا نگه دار.
This one by the window is in her own world. I think she is dreaming of being a lion in the jungle. Look at her staring outside like she is planning an adventure. Maybe I will call her Shireen, the dreamer of the house.
میشه به جایی حالا نازت کنم به قلا دادم؟ بفرما دم کار قبل زشته بتون بر عمر میخوره تموم شد دیگه غذا نداریم خوش بده میذاری نازت کنم؟ این با من دوست شد یک کاشم دیگه خواهده
Now let me tell you, living with these many cats isn't peaceful, it's chaos. There is fur flying everywhere, random mewing that sounds like a soap opera argument, and a constant feeling that you are being judged. One cat was sitting on the dining table like he owned it, staring at me like, "You dare touch my snacks?" I didn't even have the snacks. It's their world. We are just living in it.
تو تابلوهای بامزه‌ای به دیواره سه تابلو اینجا زدن که فکر کنم نژادهای مختلف گربه‌ها رو اینجا زده و اتاقش خیلی بی‌ادبی واقعا حیف که تو ویدیو نمیتونم نشونت بدم
Meet Akram, the diva of the house. She's the most beautiful cat here and she knows it. But don't let her fool you. She's also always hungry. If you have got snacks, you are her best friend. No snacks? She will give you the cold shoulder. Classic Akram. This one hasn't moved in 13 minutes. I think he's reached peak relaxation. Let's call him Khosro, the king of chill. Honestly, I'm a little jealous. How do they making being lazy look so elegant? Oh, and don't even think about sitting down anywhere. Every chair, every cushion, every inch of this house is occupied. I found a tiny corner to sit in, and within seconds, three cats came over to stare at me like, "Excuse me, this is our spot." I had to apologize to them, to the cats. But hey, if you're into being bossed around by adorable furballs, this place is the paradise.
اینا همه کشور مختلفه.
Now it's nap time. Cats really know how to live: eat, play, sleep, repeat. Look at this one stretched out like a king. I wish I could be this relaxed. Honestly, spending time here feels like a therapy. And then there is this one, completely ignoring me. I have tried calling him, waving at him, even offering him snacks. But nope, he's too cool for me. Let's call him Farhad, the mysterious loner. Spending the day here has been so much fun. These cats are full of surprises, from Akram's sass to Gholam's sneakiness. If you're ever in Tehran, you have to visit the Cat Café Museum. Just be prepared to share your snacks or lose them to a very determined cat. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. As you know me and know my interest in some stuff, you can see I love cats, and that's why I choose this cafe to visit because I could not have any pets right now because I'm living with my parents and they hate to keep animals inside the house, and that's why I choose this cafe to see a lot of cats, and maybe I could feed them, and I think it's really amusing. And the cafe is really nice and has a really calm and beautiful atmosphere. So in this cafe, we ordered lasagna and fries. The price of the lasagna was about 345, and the price for this fries was about 110 tomans. And this sounds really delicious. Let's eat it. Tastes good. So it was one of the best experiences which I have in cafes in Tehran because I really love cats, and I could spend an hour with them, and it was really amazing and it totally worth it because Tehran's street was really crowded today, and I was on my car for about 2 hours to reach this cafe, but it totally worth it, and I really enjoyed the time that I spent with the cats upstairs, and it was just nice. And the food was also delicious. The prices are about about high. And I forgot to tell you that the price ticket for visiting upstairs and see the cats museum was about 50 tomans, which is about $1, I think. But it's totally worth it. And you can buy cat's food from downstairs to help the cat get friend with you.